In this video, we're going to take a look at the Worksheets tool. We built the Worksheets tool to be a bit of a catch-all tool so you can create specific individual worksheets to store categories of details for your event. So I'm going to click on one of my events here in the main events page and then click on the Worksheets tool right here. You can see I've already built worksheets for AV, committees, rentals, and speakers. To add a new worksheet, you just click on the Add Worksheet tool. I'm going to create a worksheet specifically for exhibitor details or exhibitor guidelines. I'm going to click on Save. Once I've done that, I can now add content to that worksheet. So I'm going to click on the Add Content link and you can type in your content and then format it using the formatting tools up at the top here. I'm going to save that. You can also copy and paste from another document. I'm going to walk you through how to do this. I've got a Microsoft Word document here, but I need to save this as a text file, which I'm going to do right here because you can't import formatted text like from a Microsoft Word file into Planning Pod. You have to save it as a text file first. And then once you've saved it as a text file first, you can then import that into Planning Pod. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to reopen that file as a text file, and in the text editor tool, I'm going to copy that and then paste it right here into the worksheet area. And then once I paste it in here, I can then reformat this using the formatting options up here in the top. That's how I can copy and paste over. You can also add vendors or associate a vendor to a worksheet, and you can add a new vendor right there. You can also select contacts. I'm going to select contacts from contacts that have been assigned to the event, or I can add a new one right there. So that's how you can associate vendors and assign contacts. You can also click on the PDF button to download a PDF of the worksheet or delete it by using the delete button. You can also import a template, a worksheet template into a new worksheet. So I'm going to go to the templates area. I'm going to click on worksheet templates. We already have provided about 18 worksheet templates for you already on a variety of topics, but to add a new one, you can click on Add Template. And once you've added it, you can go into the template, and very similar to adding just a plain old worksheet, you can start adding your information here, or you can copy and paste like I showed you earlier. Once you've created a worksheet template here, you can go back into your event, go into the Worksheets tool, click on Import Export, and click on the Import Template option there. I'm going to import my transportation worksheet that we were working on. There it's imported. I'm going to modify the name of it right there. And you can also go in and now edit that information that you imported into this new worksheet. And that's how you can use worksheet templates inside of your event. To go into a worksheet, you just click on it and make your modifications. Finally, you can click Save as Template to save a worksheet that you've been working on in an event as a new template to use it over and over again. That's how you can use the Worksheets tool inside of your account, but do let us know if you have additional questions.